Wild Bird Fund is New York City's first wildlife rehabilitation and education center. Prior to this, there was nothing. So when you found an injured bird lying on the sidewalk, you didn't know where to take it. So we're very happy. We've opened our doors to a great throng of people who have found injured birds. When a good Samaritan picks up a little bird from the sidewalk, brings it to us, they've made the difference of life and death. The person who comes in with that bird in hand, they're so often really attached to it. And they come in, and that's often just the beginning. First, they're there for the exam, but then very many of them want to volunteer. So we have 50 volunteers a week, individual volunteers that come every week. And over the course of 3 weeks, there will be 70 to 80 separate different people who will come to work here. And they're very dedicated, and we could not exist without them.
If someone has a dog at home and they have a lizard and they have a fish, they're always going to say the dog is the one that gives them the most love. The pigeon is the same. Like, anything else doesn't really care. They don't want you near them. They want nothing to do with you. These guys are really smart. They know how to interact in the city, and they definitely have an opinion of us, and it's really funny to see what each one is.
Directly across the street at Animal General, we have digital x-ray. And next door, 2 doors down from Animal General, is the Center for Avian and Exotic Medicine, which has 3 avian vets that consult for us, plus vet techs and all the supplies we could need. So we do a gold standard of medicine for your common wildlife.
I'm going to hold him. Buddy. Frame. Select easy from here and then hit down. Perfect. That's fine. Good. That's the other one. We just want to get symmetrical. It doesn't have any inter in it, but we just want to get it so kind of like the toes. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's all get out of the room. Now look at this.
Oh, how perfect that x-ray is. Not a great prognosis. This is not great. Our biggest client right now this week is a mute swan that came in from Brooklyn. And on Tuesday he was fine, and suddenly he was actually toe up. They even saw him on his back with his feet up in the air.
I think she's really anemic, which is also not helping with her oxygen carrying capacity. And they can be anemic from chronic disease, they can be anemic from lead toxicity. So, but I'm also not hearing very good lung sounds at all from her. So I'm gonna pull up the x-rays across the street and look at them where I can blow them up and look at them better. I would not give up on her yet, but this bird very likely can die.
Let me go, I'm ready. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
It's more comforting for the pigeons when we release them if they're in their environment in the last place they were, and that's where they know to get their food as well, so they have like a reliable food source. So, I mean, we're right near like many restaurants, and also there's a flock of pigeons that likes to circulate around here, so